In a room where silence is measured, a liquid more valuable than gold waits for its moment.
This handful of liquid does not just carry antibodies, but an entire second chance at childhood.
It all began in a forgotten Kentucky barn when one horse's plasma neutralized a venom that no drug could touch. That single injection rewrote emergency medicine and locked its secret behind steel doors. Only 3 facilities in the world are entrusted with this golden medicine, and none appear on any public map. A single batch of just 50 vials carries a price tag that can exceed $50,000. This golden infusion is manufactured to the highest pharmaceutical standards and represents a significant achievement in biologic medicine. The gold metallic color is no dye, but the spectral fingerprint of purity exceeding 99.9%. Shipped without logos and under armed escort, and this medicine travels through the world unseen. Every drop a lifeline, but where does this golden fluid truly begin? The question that will drive the entire film, now hanging in the air. The answer is not in a lab, but in the veins of this horse.
From this raw equine plasma to this $50,000 golden medicine, and the transformation is a biology and engineering.
The journey of the world's most secret medicine begins on this pristine Montana ranch. These equine donors belong to a closed herd, free of pathogens for over 5 generations.
Every horse undergoes a full health screen before each and every donation, with no exceptions. Trust and meticulous.
A mobile plasmapheresis laboratory comes to the horses, eliminating transport stress and contamination risk. A closed-system collection set ensures no airborne pathogen ever touches the plasma. Sterile, gentle precision captured perfectly. 750 milliliters of whole blood are gently drawn, the donation that will soon become pure gold, the sacrifice feeling powerful and generous. That within minutes, centrifugal force spins the plasma into a straw gold liquid while the red cells are saved for the thoroughbred horse. Elegant biological separation on full display. Raw equine plasma is valuable, but still a world away from the metallic gold medicine it will become.
The donor horse loses nothing because its own red cells are returned, and it gallops the same afternoon.
Plasma is flash frozen to minus 40 degrees Celsius, locking delicate antibodies in a glass-like state. Gold reflective insulation is not just prestigious, but the most efficient way to hold the deep cold for transport. With a value that can surpass that of a luxury car. And the plasma travels under continuous armed protection. The plasma arrives at a facility that exists on 0 public maps, a fortress of biological secrecy. Every exterior surface is sterilized by ultraviolet light and oxidative mist before crossing into the clean zone. Even now, every pouch must pass a rigorous identity and purity screen before earning its place. Absolute trust verified in seconds. Proved plasma enters the minus 30 vault for a deep sleep before the great transformation. Each bag is a silent promise waiting to be awakened into a $50,000 elixir. Immense. After weeks of quarantine, the plasma is thawed and ready to be reborn as the purest gold on Earth. This solvent detergent cocktail is specifically designed to dismantle the lipid envelopes of any lurking viruses, the viral kill step now activated. Injuries. The mixture incubates for 6 hours, completely destroying any lipid-enveloped virus that may have survived the cold. The waiting for absolute oil extraction removes the solvent detergent completely, leaving the immunoglobulins free of any chemical residuals. Ion exchange chromatography now separates the immunoglobulin G from all remaining plasma proteins with exquisite precision, molecular sorting happening in real time. As the salt gradient displaces the antibodies, a pure IgG peak emerges, captured as liquid gold, the precise harvest of the active matrices. This second affinity polishing column removes trace host cell proteins and DNA, achieving therapeutic-grade purity. A nanofilter with pores far smaller than the smallest virus is now installed as a physical barrier to any stray pathogen, the physical security layer locked into place. Even if a virus escaped chemistry, the nanofilter physically sieves it out with zero tolerance remaining, the final viral shield performing its duty flawlessly. Diafiltration exchanges the antibodies into a stable formulation buffer, preparing them for the final metamorphosis. The conditioning for conjugation now perfectly set. Proprietary gold nanoparticles are conjugated to the antibodies, granting the liquid its signature metallic gold luster and enhancing cellular delivery. This is not a dye but a quantum-sized gold shell around each antibody, and the enduring visual signature of a $50,000 batch. Stabilizers and cryoprotectants are added to ensure the gold conjugate survives freeze-drying without aggregation. Protection for the next critical stage now locked in. This final sterile filtration removes any remaining bacteria and ensures injectable purity before filling.
Inside an ISO 5 cleanroom, the golden medicine meets its final vessel, the sanctum of production humming with quiet purpose.
Empty vials are sterilized at 300 degrees Celsius, erasing any endotoxin footprint, the fire-cleansed purity of every vial now guaranteed. Each vial receives an exact dose of the gold conjugated immunoglobulin solution, no more and no less, ensuring rhythmic perfection in every movement. Stoppers are placed in the Leo position, permitting water vapor to escape during freeze-drying, the vials now ready for sublimation and the next transformation. The vials enter the lyophilizer, where liquid gold will transform into a stable dry cake without losing potency. Suspended animation now beginning. At -50 Celsius, the liquid solidifies into a frozen gold matrix ready for sublimation, the crystalline state a beautiful and necessary pause. Proprietary gold nanoparticles are conjugated to the antibodies to grant the liquid its signature metallic gold luster and enhance cellular delivery. This is no dye but a quantum-sized gold shell around each antibody, and the enduring visual signature of a $50,000 batch. Stabilizers and cryoprotectants are added to ensure the gold conjugate survives freeze-drying without aggregation. This final sterile filtration removes any remaining bacteria and ensures injectable purity before filling.
Inside an ISO 5 cleanroom, the golden medicine meets its final vessel, and the sanctum of production hums with quiet, purposeful energy.
Empty vials are sterilized at 3 Celsius.
Each vial receives an exact dose of the gold conjugated immunoglobulin solution, no more and no less. Stoppers are placed in the Lyo position, permitting water vapor to escape during freeze-drying, each vial now prepared for the sublimation process that will transform liquid into stable dry cake. The vials enter the lyophilizer, where liquid gold will transform into a stable dry cake without losing potency. Suspended animation beginning in the minutes. At -50 Celsius, the liquid solidifies into a frozen gold matrix, ready for sublimation. The crystalline...
Under deep vacuum, ice skips the liquid phase and sublimates directly, preserving the gold conjugate architecture perfectly. Physics preserving potency in a silent sublime dance.
What remains is a gold metallic lyophilized cake that is stable and potent and ready to be sealed for years.
Stoppers are fully seated while still under vacuum, guaranteeing an oxygen-free sterile interior for years. Airtight perfection achieved in a single mechanical motion. Each vial is crowned with a gold metallic cap and the final external signature of its life-saving purpose, the regal finishing touch now permanently affixed. Every single vial undergoes human visual inspection, with a trained eye catching what machines might overlook, craft vigilance in every rotation.
Laser particle analysis confirms zero visible particulate in an uncompromising pharmaceutical mandate.
A bioassay confirms the gold conjugated antibodies bind their therapeutic target with perfect affinity, functional potency now verified. A 14-day sterility test runs, and if even a single microbe survived, and the golden liquid would turn turbid. But it never does. Labels are minimalist with only a code and a gold leaf, because the product's identity is its color. Understated luxury in a simple gold band. Each vial nests in a gold reflective carton, ready for its final journey to a patient somewhere in the world. Gift-like protection now complete. Each vial receives a unique serial number that becomes its digital passport from production to patient, the traceable identity now locked into every single dose. This holographic anti-counterfeit seal ensures that what is inside is genuine factory-made gold, security against fakes now visibly guarding every carton.
There's more. Every packaged vial is weighed to confirm the exact fill weight as non-destructive proof that the dose is correct.
Metrological finished batches are stored at -20 Celsius in a vault that is never photographed until now. Immense stored wealth radiating from every frozen shelf. The entire vault is continuously mapped by wireless sensors, and no microclimate goes unmonitored. Data-driven custody.
Big Rensmiths. The batch manufacturing record is signed and sealed in gold as the irrevocable release of a $50,000 batch, with formal
Trenches. After the final quality review, even the gloves that touch the file are discarded for zero risk of contamination. An order arrives encrypted and anonymized, and the gold medicine is about to move. The digital release now initiated.
A validated cold shipper is packed to maintain the mandatory -20 chain uninterrupted. Cold chain engineering ready for transit.
This tamper-evident seal is applied so any breach will be visible and the chain of custody is ensured. Forensic security now wrapping the package in absolute trust. At first light, the shipper begins its journey still cloaked in anonymity. The quiet dispatch of a $50,000 treasure now complete.
Real-time GPS and temperature tracking activate at this moment, and the shipper now has a digital heartbeat connected custody spanning every mile of the journey ahead.
Miles pass, yet the temperature inside the shipper does not deviate by even half a degree. Reliable transit through the natural world. The shipper clears security without revealing its contents, and only the handlers know how precious it truly is.
While the world sleeps, a golden cargo crosses continents, global reach achieved in a single silent flight.
A dedicated cold van takes over the last mile, and the cold chain remains unbroken, the final leg of the journey now secure. The shipper is opened only in the pharmacy's sterile receiving area to maintain end-to-end integrity, safe arrival at its final destination. The cake is reconstituted back into the liquid gold that will save a life. The rebirth of the active drug in a sterile hood. The entire volume is withdrawn and not a drop of this $50,000 liquid is wasted, emphasizing precision handling in every movement. That positive patient identification ensures the right gold reaches the right vein. Patient safety now verified before the final step. Every step is measured because the nurse knows the life-changing value he carries, the reverent journey reaching its final threshold.
She does not know the horses or the science or the gold, but only that the medicine that can save her has arrived.
A thread of gold enters her vein, carrying with it the hope of an entire facility. Within minutes, the body accepts the golden immunoglobulins and the monitors show a return toward balance, the clinical response visible in real-time data.
In that tear, the entire worth of the $50,000 medicine is measured and found to be priceless.
They call it the golden hour, and it is the moment when the medicine's power becomes visible on the patient's face. Miles away, the horse that gave the plasma grazes in peace, unaware of the life it just saved. The facility returns to darkness, but its golden medicine is already at work inside a Caucasian child's bloodstream. The batch record is locked away for 50 years as a legal promise that every step can be retraced. Accountability now sealed in steel. This wall reminds everyone who works here that every vial is a life and not a number. Motivation and purpose enshrined in photographs. Already the next batch begins its transformation, and the golden cycle never stops. Continuity of the entire process now visually cemented. Precise pH adjustment during diafiltration ensures the antibodies remain stable and active for conjugation. The delicate chemistry of preservation now verified. Conductivity is monitored continuously to confirm complete buffer exchange and removal of residual salts. The final conditioning of the liquid gold now confirmed. The filter integrity test proves the sterile filter has no microscopic defects, and the liquid gold on the other side is truly.
Every batch undergoes a mandatory quarantine hold before release to ensure no delayed reactions or stability issues. Patients now embedded in the process.
Active air sampling and settle plates monitor the cleanroom environment continuously, and any contamination would be caught here, environmental vigilance never relaxing. Personnel gowning is a ritual repeated dozens of times per shift, and every worker is trained to do it flawlessly to protect the product from human contamination.
Active air sampling is done at multiple points during every fill to prove the air meets Class 100 standards, ensuring the invisible atmosphere is constantly verified.
That the LAL test detects bacterial endotoxins at parts per trillion, and a pass means the medicine will not cause a fever reaction in patients, safety at the molecular level now assured. The identity test confirms the antibodies are exactly what they are supposed to be, and the batch's molecular signature matches the master standard.
All tests pass and the electronic batch release is executed, so the gold is now officially a medicine. A new shipper departs into the night, and its internal temperature remains a steady -20, the repeat of the secure
No storm breaks the cold chain and the shipper is impervious to the outside world. Resilience in the face of nature now visually undeniable.
Its day. For him, the gold is not a luxury, but the only thing that keeps his immune system fighting. Universal need and quiet every dose is recorded by hand, and this is a 100-year-old habit that will never change. Tradition nestled inside high-tech medicine. The horses don't know they are heroes, but here they are honored as such. Respect and gratitude now immortalized in a simple frame. Science meets art, and every batch is documented with the precision of a manuscript. Dedication to the craft visible in every handwritten entry.
Its gold job done, the vial retires, but its purpose lingers in a healthy body. Closure and quiet purpose now intertwined. A new day brings a new batch.
The vault never stays closed for long. The ongoing mission and the endless cycle of healing, now visually and emotionally complete. The golden medicine now leaves the nest. Farewell and pride mingling in a single crystalline moment. When a child goes home, the true value of the gold is finally revealed. Letters like this arrive every week, and each one puts a human face on the data. Emotional reward now sealed into the factory's memory.
Even our presence here is logged as part of the documentary itself, a meta-acknowledgement now permanently recorded in the factory's history.
The origin of the gold remains wild and free, just as it should be. At night, the machines rest, but the golden promise never sleeps. And from one small ranch, the gold reaches the whole world. Global impact distilled into a single tiny sphere. Life goes on, and the next generation of donors is already playing in the pasture. Continuity of the source now embodied in the foal's bright eyes. That, from a horse's vein to a child's life, it all comes down to one drop of gold. Inside the secret horse plasma factory, gold is not just a color, but a cure.
This video was made by Teach You Something, a computer program. AI helped write the script and create the picture. They did not steal or copy from other people. The video looked cool, but it is made by a computer, not a real camera. These were created using View 3 Meta AI, and they use an app called CapCut to finish the video.